What is up, you guys? This is Malavai P coming at you with a new video. Just a quick first impressions video of new keyboard I got, which is a Corsair K50 Raptor LED backlit gaming keyboard. So I literally got this yesterday. Came in the mail yesterday. I also did a lot of stuff there yesterday. I actually moved. Well, obviously you guys don't know that because I didn't do a setup video before, but I might do one soon. But just a quick rundown of what I have in here: the couch, some more chairs, a bin, my subwoofer, my router, my computer, which I've moved. That is the that's the sound system, where you control it, volume, all that, plugins, random Xbox controllers, second phone, USB sticks, and the computer. But back to the main, what do we hear about? So, that's just a quick first impressions of what this keyboard is like. And just as background information, the last keyboard I had was a Razer Arctosa, which is basically the base model of their entry gaming keyboards. It wasn't backlit or anything, it's just a normal keyboard with a couple added features like anti-ghosting, ultra polling, which is kind of standard these days. But back when, a couple of years ago, when I did buy it, ultra polling wasn't as much of a thing. But so this keyboard has, as you can see, extra keys right there, all of these, and then they all double up as different keys if you just by clicking these ones at the top. So that's one set of keys, second set of keys, and third set of keys, and all of them, every time you switch that, those are profiles, every time you switch those, these keys at the side here change. So a lot of extra keys. And that's just the Windows button lock, so you accidentally press it while you're gaming. And so you got your backlighting here, 3 levels, volume scrolling, mute. Let's see. You got some silver keycaps just to represent WASD and your arrow keys. Got your media buttons, pause, play, stop, skip. And personally, I'm quite enjoying this keyboard. I'm not quite used to having all those keys with the extra keys at the side here, because usually when I play a game, my hand is usually right at the edge of the keyboard, so that's how I know my hand's in the right place. But not having the edge of the keyboard here instead of extra keys is really kind of off-putting for the first couple. At least my first couple of hours, but I'm slowly getting used to it. But the keys themselves they're not mechanical or anything. They're just standard keys. But they're very nice. I personally think I like them, membrane keys. I like the feel of them. They're not, see if you can see that area. They're not recessed into like a specific area. You can get on there, clean and whatnot. Unlike my last ones, which are recessed into still rectangle area. So unless you literally took every single key out, you couldn't get on there to clean it. So that's the thing. It does have a USB pass through, which I have my mouse plugged into, which is a random gigabyte mouse. Bought a long time ago, good couple of years, which I'm going to be changing soon. But yeah, it has one USB pass through, and the keyboard itself is actually, I would say, very high quality. Now, unfortunately, while it is high quality, just top part here, and a little bit on the side, right here is actual metal. This part here where the keys are on top are not metal, and this is this wrist rest is detachable. It comes detached already in the box, but you can attach it, which I did, obviously. And it's kind of a soft, very soft kind of rubberized thing. It's really nice. And so far this keyboard has exceeded my expectations. Oh, it also comes with some software, which I can show you. See that it's just some Battlefield gameplay I'm about to render. But see Corsair gaming software, and here you can assign keys to different things, macros and whatnot. You can adjust your backlighting. You can have light effects, which is pulse. I guess I could show you that now. I'm just gonna increase the tempo so you guys will actually see it. And here we go. And you see, comes on, dims, and whatnot. And the other one is cycle. So it cycles through a lot of colors. See that just changed to green from the white color. Might not be able to see that on the camera, but it did just change to green and the white. But yeah, that's a thing. So you got a lot of software, profiles, and all that is stored on the keyboard memory itself, so you can just take it anywhere and do your thing. So that is my quick overview, which is not that quick since this video is approximately 6 minutes right now. But that is my initial impressions of this gaming keyboard. So depending on what happens next, I might do a full review or might not. Hell, this video might not even make it to the web, depending on what I think it looks like when I render it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.